And you got me now. Swallow them all. Yeah, right. In your tree. An alligator.
Alligators. Come on. Alligators.
Yeah, that was the one that snuck in.
Maybe we can move the table like out of the way and line them up. Want to do that?
Lenny, you want to be in the shade here?
Yeah.
What's this
Yes.
guy?
Joe, grab the end of that table for Daddy. Joey, grab the end of the table for Daddy. Just move it out of the way.
I'll just put it.
Yeah, that's it.
Rocco, come here.
Yeah, I thought if you moved over here, you'd be near the fan.
Okay, I need to see the birthday boy first. Well, get up here, pal.
Terry, you get
Happy
first.
birthday.
Look at that little one.
Peanut is the monkey on my shoulder, and she's got a special surprise for you. It's a happy birthday Rocco pin. Whoa!
Oh, boy.
There you are. Okay, now. We're sure glad that we got to come to Rocco's birthday party, and here you go, pal. Just hand her one of those, and she's gonna put it in her pocket and shake your hand. Now, everybody watch what Rocco does. She's gonna shake your hand now. Shake hands with me, buddy. And tip your hat, say thank you. Oh, try it again, Rocco. What about the handshake part? And your hat? Whoa, you're such a good. Now, if anybody else has monkey money, well, you got some? Just give it right to that silly monkey. She's gonna shake your hand and tip her hat. What about your hat? Say thank you. Well, say thank you. Look what my other buddy's got. Got some? Just give it to her. You forgot my buddy over here now. Shake hands. Shake hands with my friend. Thank you. Thank you. Shake hands with my friend.
Look at that little pose.
Shake hands with my buddy.
You like that?
Here's some more. I told you, kids, stick with me. You're gonna be the richest monkey in the whole place. She wants what? Well, you forgot. This is the birthday boy. Remember I told you I always say thank you to birthday boys. Say thank you. You're such a good girl.
Susie, you didn't sing it? Careful, he doesn't fall off. That's why they have that.
Give all your friends some more. Here. Say thank you. Here, that's for Rocco. Say thank you, Rocco.
Just sing it now when it came out.
That's more. Give it to her. Okay, cookie.
Terry and hold the table so I can get it.
Kristen, look. Well, I guess she will. Here, Kristen, look. Shake hands with my friend. Don't forget the handshake part. Here's some more. Look, Rocco's got one. Now you owe him 3 handshakes. One. What about another?
I have to sing, Grandma?
Oh.
Terry, it's got your eyes.
Never get me a handshake. Can I hold it? Yeah, my picture one. Hey, monkey show.
Thank you. Now you get another one.
Hey, monkey.
Here. Thank you. Does it have to have it? Told you, kids, stick with me. You're gonna be the richest monkey in the whole place. Look, you go behind you, kid. Shake hands with him, man.
Boy, he looks like none of your guys at school.
Does anybody else have monkey money? Well, give it to her, because we're going to do something else. We got lots of surprises for you. Well, we're going to do something. We're going to get the other monkey with you. Okay. You do? Well, give it to her. Shake hands with my friend. Okay.
What about her name?
Garrett, I'm going to turn the music down just a little bit. And I'm going to tell you, this is Crystal.
Here.
And Crystal is what we call a white-faced capuchin, and she comes from South America.
What?
Now,
Hear what he's saying about South America?
now we're not trying to say anything good or bad, but I'll just tell you one secret. Just as soon as Crystal got off the boat, when she got to this country, the first thing she learned to do was put money in her pocket. If you know what I mean, just a joke. It takes about 2 years to train one, and the way we train them is the first thing we do is we get them to fall in love with us. As soon as they fall in love with you, they'll do anything in the world for you. The same way, kind of like you love your mom and dad, you do anything for them. Well, it's kind of like the same thing. In fact, we always say daddy, we always say daddy.
What is Peanut known to do?
Well, that comes next, and that's the biggest surprise of all. I just wanted to tell you one more thing about Crystal. Crystal's one of those kind of monkeys that loves to wear clothes. In fact, she almost dresses herself. Now, you guys watch this. Okay, now, whoa, look, everybody's watching you. You don't have any clothes on. Quick, you better put your clothes on. Now, listen to me. The only part she hasn't learned to do yet, she hasn't learned to do the zipper part yet. Now, I kind of believe as soon as she learns to zipper herself, she won't need me anymore. Let's give her a big hand, you guys.
Yay! You helped her.
This is my son, Garrett. And Garrett's going to hold Crystal.
There.
Come on up here. I'll go. I can tell you what Peanut's known for. How many of you guys' mom gets Vogue magazine? Come on. I figured. In the April issue, 1992, which was the 100th anniversary issue, Peanut was featured on page 412. Get over here. I'm going to show you exactly what she does. You hold her like a baby. No. Hold her like a baby. Just two hands. And you look at me real good and stand right over here by the flower. We're going to take your picture. You ready? We're going to hide the string first.
He looks just like Joey.
Big fat smile. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say banana.
Banana.
Say happy birthday. How many of you ever got to hold a real live monkey before?
You did?
Joey and his mom and dad have a surprise for you because I'm going to give these to your mom and dad to give to everybody on the way out, okay?
Oh, nice.
Okay. Come on, pal. You're next. Yep. Come on up here. Okay. Come on.
Let it develop, Rock.
Turn this way, this way, the other way, the other way, the other way. That's it. Now just hold her just like a baby monkey, just like this. Now stand right over here. Glasses on or glasses off? Barbecue sauce on or barbecue sauce off? Just a joke. Now if she reaches over and gives you a big fat kiss, it's because you got some good red stuff right there. You ready? Say banana. Say happy birthday, Rocco. Say cheese. I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to that monkey.
Go, Rob, man.
Go, Robbie!
All right. Way to look, buddy.
Oh, yeah, Robbie.
Way to look.
That's perfect.
That's not Robbie, that's Frank.
Back up just a little bit.
Rocco,
Get out of the way, Rob.
Second, I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn this Batman around so Batman shows.
all right. What attention to detail.
Oh, what about my picture?
Ready? And
What about my picture?
whoa, 2 hands.
What about my
Ready?
picture?
Just a minute.
Please smile. Smile right. Peanut.
Mom, what about my picture?
It's developing. You'll get it.
Okay, you're next.
Please, Dad, what about my picture?
It's
Well,
developing.
On the way home, they're
We're gonna give it to you. You'll get to see it before then.
Everybody gets one on the way home, okay?
You'll get-
have it now.
You'll get to see it in a minute.
Are you ready to go home already?
You will in a little while, I promise.
Somebody wants their
Okay,
Lenny.
ready, big fat smile.
Not
Don't
with
kiss
you.
Don't kiss.
Now, wait a minute. I can't do this.
Cheese.
Yeah.
He licked him, he kissed him. He kissed you,
You
Brian.
did?
I know.
Wow.
That's my finger, too. Oh, you see how it tracks it? Oh, that's so weird. He goes, I never even really did that. They go, whoop, 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 and they put their lips together like. I never thought they really did that.
Rocco, wait.
That's it, big fat smile. Let's turn
He
the
bit
hat
his
around.
finger. He bit.
Big fat
I
smile.
know, he bit my finger. He bit my
Cheese.
thumb.
Bananas. Peanut butter.
God, my gun.
Nice.
Okay, no guns allowed.
She tapped my head.
I want
he
one
bit your
extra.
finger. No, he stuck my
You
thumb.
don't want
My
to see the
middle.
alligator. Well, you'll have to wait until he's 8 years old to see the alligator. Just a joke. Look at me, look at me.
That's okay.
I just want to get the string out. I just want to get the string out. Now you gotta look at me.
Finger. Eat your
Big cheese.
Or Sean will like that.
Bananas.
applesauce. In your
Look at
face.
me, say cheesecake. Peanut.
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 Peanut. Peanut. I love peanuts. I love peanuts. I got the whole thing. What about the little baby? Oh, he got his diaper on.
Well, the little baby is too small.
For my present.
Okay.
I have this little baby. Look what Uncle Randy gave me for my present.
Oh, great. I'll hold it for
Did you
you.
get my message
Now, how
about
old
the
are you?
Look what I got for my
11.
baby.
Hold your arm out. You look just like a monkey. Just a
See,
joke.
see what it's from. Oh, look at it.
No, you're not Italian.
It's right there.
Hey, what's up? Happy birthday.
Oh, I got it right now. Give me a sack. It looks like blood.
Smile. Right?
Little monkey came towards me. Hey, you! He tried to climb the moat.
Wipe on your...
Hey, Michael!
Ready?
No, not on the same, on the
Glasses on or glasses off.
Yeah, but
On,
right
big
now we're on
fat
the
smile. You ready?
Hey, yo, Michael.
Say banana. Say happy birthday, Joey! I mean
Hey,
happy
Rocco.
birthday, Rocco. And
That's all right.
happy
That's his
birthday,
name
Lenny.
is Joey.
You ready, pal?
God.
Hey, little monkey. Everybody's out their seat.
Because they're being...
Well, because they all
Different.
want to see. Ready? Say cheese.
Come on,
Say
back,
bananas.
Rocco.
Peanut. Over here. Peanut.
Go inside with this.
Now I can buy you
Yeah.
But do
also.
the cake first. Out here.
And now we got, did we get everybody? No
Yeah.
way, Mom and Dad, get over
Oh,
here.
no. I want to hold it. Go,
Oh,
Mom.
come on, Dad.
Joey, you know how to take a picture?
Yes, this is a picture for everybody. Come on, you ready? Mom, Dad, you too, Joey, come on.
Oh, Joey,
Yeah, somebody else
David,
can take
Drew,
it.
can Drew do it?
Anyway, I didn't do it mine.
All you
Yeah.
have to do is.
Okay, all you gotta do is just let me get that 20. Just a joke, just a... Okay.
I'm not holding it.
No, no, no. Birthday boy holds the baby.
Hold the
Wait a
baby.
minute.
How
Okay,
about
no,
the
no,
baby?
no. Okay, come on
Or
right
the
over
other
here.
guy?
You get on one knee. One knee.
Oh, you won't cover my back.
Now, the only thing I gotta tell you about this one
What?
is this one doesn't have a diaper on, so we're gonna try and do this in a hurry. Okay. Now, just look at me, everybody. Ready? Say bananas.
Bananas.
Joey, look at that. Monkeys. Peanut.
Good enough. Good enough.
He did himself. He did himself.
Thanks.
I gotta see if I cut off your dad's head. I gotta see if I cut off your dad's head. I hope I didn't. I tried to stand back far enough.
Ow! You cut busted my eardrum.
How about if we put the guns down for a while? Because we're going to do cake and ice cream.
Oh, well.
I don't know.
Just right where he got his hair cut. But we got the monkeys. That's the important thing.
Yeah.
Now we got one more surprise for everybody. You guys have already heard the surprise and seen the surprise. And that is, we thought that Tammy, Peanut's brand new baby, was going to be born on Rocco's birthday.
Oh.
But she came 3 weeks early, well, almost 3 weeks. Tomorrow, she'll be 3 weeks old. And that's Peanut's baby. So, I want to show everybody. Peanut's the one that's on my shoulder. Nobody's hurt your baby. I want to show the kids first, and then I'll give her to you. Look.
I got a picture of Frozen.
No, wait. You can pet her.
Yes, we have some. I thought he got a picture. He's cute. Hey, little
See?
He's cute. Hey, Peter.
Not yet. There's 4 more.
He's cute.
She sure is.
He's cute. What's her name?
Her name is Tammy.
I'm gonna do it as puppet. I never do it. I'm gonna do it. What's in here?
And is everybody watching? Here she goes. Get your baby, get your baby. Oh.
Let me see.
Okay.
Where is she?
She's getting in there.
Oh.
See her hanging underneath?
Baby went on me.
Oh, that was good.
I'm right here. What's the baby?
So, now here's what I'm going to do, you guys. I'm going to have Garrett take Peanut and Tammy, her name's Tammy, around to the truck. You guys have really been great, but who would like to give you-know-who some more monkey money before we go?
I do.
I'll ask him when he goes out front.
Got it good?
You didn't even do anything. Something's not right.
Yeah, something.
Ladies, and you look like
Okay, this is a different kind where you guys be quiet.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, you gotta be
look
real.
like a monkey.
You gotta be real quiet.
Listen, real close. Now, does everybody know how to sing?
Yes.
Yeah, I am, because of a special one more last surprise. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Gotta be real quiet for this.
Ready?
Here's one. Oh, no.